What is up, everybody? Rudy here, and a lot of people have been asking for a part two on my Fibonacci trading. Really going to be going over how I've been able to make $12,000 in a week trading on Topstep using my Fibonacci trading strategy. Super simple, you guys. I'm going to get right into it, right? Fibonacci, the way I use the tool, and I'll show my settings as well. Fibonacci retracement tool is right here. Gonna start off with this disclosure. Take a screenshot, do what you need to do. Not a financial advisor, just showing you guys what works for me. The way I use a Fibonacci retracement tool is the market would have to create a low, right? Price would have to create a recent low, would have to trade up and create a recent high, right? This morning, this was a setup that I took, and I was just waiting for this entry right here. And I'll go into exactly why I took this setup, right? We'll replay this, and this is what I was seeing the market at just a couple minutes ago. What I did was I drew up my recent lows, right, which was this level, to my recent highs. Super simple, you guys. Don't overcomplicate this. And I'm on the 1 minute grabbing my entry, right? So recent highs, recent lows, my fib settings where I like to take my trades, right, is I like to trade in between the 50% retracement level all the way down to the 875. But I probably won't add any more contracts, right? I probably won't scale in anymore. I like to just grab that light entry. If it trades below the 62% retracement level, I'll fill some more entries, right? I'll scale in even more, still using my stop loss for below that recent low, right? So if you wanted to just wait for this setup exactly as I was waiting, this is how this plays out. Pretty clean. And that is pretty much how I trade Fibonacci, you guys. Again, price comes down, right? Creates a low. Cool. That's the low. And then it pumps up, creates a high. Awesome. This is how I would trade and wait for a buy setup. I'm drawing my fibs up, right? From low to high. I'm waiting for price to trade down to this level. I'm grabbing a light entry right here already at the 50% retracement level. If it trades down to this level, awesome. I'm grabbing even more entries, waiting for that move to the upside, that expansion move. Super simple, you guys. Super simple Fibonacci trading strategy. You could trade sells as well. I don't only trade buys. This is a good setup right here, just something that I can see. Price creates a high, right? Price creates a high, price creates a low. You draw your fibs up from high to low now, not low to high, right? You draw your fibs up from high to low, and you guys can see that price found its way back to this level, right? You could have grabbed an entry here and still used stop loss for above highs, right? Stop loss for above highs. And look at that. That would have been a sniper trade. I didn't trade that. I've been trading buys this whole time for like the past month or so with the retracements, but it's a super easy tool to use, you guys, especially if you're scalping on the 1 minute. I can see all right here in this chop. Like some people don't like to trade chop, bro. I'll be in and out on chop. You know what I'm saying? Market creates a low, right? Price creates a low. Price creates a high. You draw your fibs up. Oh my gosh, look, it filled that level. It filled that level right here, right? You grab your entry, stop loss above high or below recent lows, which would be that right there. And you trade the expansion move. Super simple setup using fibs. I don't overcomplicate trading. You don't. I just recently added these moving averages. I'm gonna play around with them this week. looks pretty nice, you know, using moving averages, but Fibonacci has been my bread and butter, you guys. It's been how I've been able to um, make $12,000 in the past week or so trading on Topstep. Really just wanted to make this video because I saw this opportunity and it looked like a good educational um, video that I could bring to people wanting to learn my Fibonacci trading strategy. If you guys have any questions, I'm going to drop my information right here. My Instagram is live oak capital. Whoops, live oak capital. Go ahead and shoot me a follow if I brought you guys any value, and just tune in for the next video. Going to be dropping a lot more strategy videos, just things that have taken me to the next level, and I hope that I'm able to bring you guys some value.